More than 1,000 students trusted us, and they have successfully started their career in transportation and logistics industry. Now, it's your turn. Welcome to I.T.S Dispatch Academy. Here, we help you start your career in this industry. Our courses cover all the sectors of transportation industry, which are dispatch, freight brokerage, billing and invoicing, safety and compliance. And for your convenience, there are two modes of learning, online and in person. If you are looking for a job, want to upgrade your skills, looking to switch the industry, or want to start your own business, no matter if you are on a study or work permit, PR or citizen, our courses will help you. So what do you get in our courses? There is unlimited training at no extra cost. That means you can attend as many lectures as you want even after you have completed the course. All your lectures will be live and you will have access to pre-recorded lectures as well. You will be given lifetime access to all the industry standard softwares used in Canada and USA, which includes DAT, OVAL and LoadLink. Now what about the jobs? We circulate your resumes to over 986 transportation and freight brokerage companies actively working in Canada and USA that can help you land a job. And you get certified by one of the most reputed academy in North America. But the most important question, does it really work? There are hundreds of student testimonials on our social media who are now running 7-figure business and working for big companies in North America, and you can be one of them.